NFT NYC sets the stage for the crypto community to come together. We're talking industry leaders, visionaries, and builders all showcasing their ideas and having real conversations about topics that matter.
NFT NYC is also all about the IRL events. It's a place for the communities to come together, hang out, laugh, and have a good time.
Our journey begins even before the launch of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. In February 2019, at Times Square's PlayStation Theater, the first NFT NYC was just about 460 pioneers, 85 speakers, and just 2 satellite meetups.
It was pretty small at first, but this was pre-2021 NFT mania. However, they were still able to introduce some firsts, like NFT ticketing via OpenSea, and they even lit up Times Square with digital billboards.
In 2020, the world paused.
Coronavirus.
The first US case is confirmation.
We will be standing up Christmas Island.
I have today declared that the coronavirus presents a public health emergency in the United States.
During COVID, the market crashed. But NFT NYC adapted. By 2021, the city was back.
You can't manage this, can't break this bond funded.
6 venues, 5,500 tickets, 600 speakers. Times Square was ablaze. The conference was electric because everyone was excited to be back and rubbing elbows once again.
The biggest names helped propel NFTs into the spotlight. I'm talking Beeple, CryptoPunks, and the Bored Ape Yacht Club. By 2022, attendance was off the charts with over 16,000 people attending, 1,500 speakers. It spanned 7 venues and hundreds of panels by the leading tech giants. This put NFT NYC on the map as one of the premier NFT conferences in the world.
Coinbase even called it the Super Bowl of NFTs. We had the main events, but the satellites stole the show. I'm talking Painting with Ferocious, but even Wagmi-san's immersion into New Tokyo. This event by itself was spectacular and sponsored by none other than Adidas.
Fast forward to 2025, and NFT NYC has transcended the conference. It cemented itself as a powerful force in art, music, gaming, brand IP, and community.
Where new ideas spark global movements, where digital ownership meets social impact, and where unboxing Web3 steps onto the big stage.
Yeah, we're really excited to announce that Crypto Dilly and I will be returning as speakers again this year at NFT NYC, but this time we will be hosting our first ever Unboxing Web3 panel.
We'll be diving into NFT ownership, brand building, creator empowerment, utility for NFTs, and how NFTs are just changing the game. All with big thinkers, creators, and brand builders, all at NFT NYC this year.
So if you're a builder, creator, collector, or just interested in what the future holds for NFTs, come check out our panel. It's on June 25th at 3:55 p.m. at the headquarters, the Javits Center.
For the next few weeks on Unboxing Web3, you can expect a lot of special content from NFT NYC. So expect interviews, crazy party, highlight reels, and just anything that went down in New York City. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and repost it on X, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.